Woodpeckers team is hard at work making the OneTIME Tool equal space divider. The first step is cutting the body components out of 16th-inch stainless steel with a high-intensity laser cutter. The laser leaves slight burrs and imperfections, so we first clean up the top and bottom of the part. Then the rough sides of the components are cleaned up. Next, the parts are blasted to receive our proprietary satin finish. After that, the parts are cleaned with a good washing. Over at the Swiss lathe department, the stainless steel knurled knobs are turned. What you see now is a brass knob for demonstration purposes. The freshly cleaned body components are laser engraved, including color engraving on the flag. The color is achieved by manipulating the frequency and intensity of the laser. Each equal space divider is then assembled by hand and thoroughly inspected. And finally, the equal space divider is packaged in its custom case and shipped to eager woodworkers around the globe.